Living in Miami Beach means enjoying year-round sunshine, ocean views, and warm tropical breezes. But it also means preparing for the powerful forces of nature that come with coastal living, including high winds, heavy rains, and the annual hurricane season. In such conditions, your windows play a crucial role in protecting your home. That's why more homeowners in Miami Beach are upgrading to impact-resistant double-hung windows, a combination of classic design and modern storm protection that delivers safety, comfort, and style in one package. Here's why these windows are an essential investment for every Miami Beach home. Built to withstand Florida's harshest storms, Miami Beach sits in one of the most hurricane-prone areas in the country. Traditional windows, even with shutters, can be vulnerable to flying debris or intense wind pressure. Once a standard window breaks, air pressure can enter the home and cause serious structural damage. Impact-resistant double-hung windows are specifically engineered to handle these challenges. They feature laminated, multi-layered glass that includes a strong inner interlayer, usually made from polyvinyl butyryl (PVB), which holds the glass together even if it cracks. This design prevents shards from flying and keeps the window intact under extreme force. Many models are Miami-Dade County approved, meeting the highest standards for hurricane protection. That means you can feel confident your home will stay sealed and secure, even during severe tropical storms. Timeless style meets modern strength. Double-hung windows are one of the most popular window styles in the U.S., known for their versatility, ventilation, and classic appearance. Their design allows both the top and bottom sashes to open, giving homeowners flexible control over airflow. In coastal Miami Beach homes, this is especially valuable. You can enjoy fresh air and ocean breezes without fully opening your windows during mild weather. By combining this timeless style with impact-resistant technology, homeowners don't have to sacrifice beauty for safety. Whether your property has a modern coastal aesthetic or traditional Floridian architecture, these windows enhance curb appeal while providing reliable protection. Energy efficiency for coastal climates. Miami Beach's tropical climate means long, hot summers and year-round humidity. Without proper insulation, that heat can easily seep into your home, causing your air conditioning system to work overtime. Impact-resistant double-hung windows are designed with advanced energy-saving features such as low emissivity coatings that reflect infrared heat and block UV rays. Argon or krypton gas fills between panes for superior insulation. Tight weather seals that prevent air leaks and moisture intrusion. These features help maintain a stable indoor temperature, lowering energy consumption and reducing your monthly utility bills, an important advantage in South Florida's warm climate. Noise reduction and year-round comfort. Another underrated benefit of impact-resistant double-hung windows is soundproofing. Miami Beach can be lively, with busy streets, nightlife, and oceanfront activity. The same laminated glass that blocks storm debris also significantly reduces outside noise. That means your home stays quieter, calmer, and more peaceful, even if you live near bustling areas like Collins Avenue or Ocean Drive. Additionally, these windows help eliminate drafts and improve indoor air quality by providing precise ventilation control. You can open both sashes slightly to let in fresh air while keeping your space secure. Increased home value and lower insurance costs for Miami Beach homeowners. Impact-resistant windows are more than just an upgrade. They're a long-term investment in safety and property value. Homes equipped with hurricane-rated windows are often eligible for home insurance discounts, as they significantly reduce the risk of damage during storms. Additionally, they add market appeal, since buyers in South Florida are willing to pay more for homes that already meet local building standards and provide superior protection. With their combination of durability, style, and efficiency, impact-resistant double-hung windows enhance both comfort and resale value. Low maintenance and lasting performance. Unlike traditional wooden frames that can warp or rot in coastal humidity, modern impact-resistant windows are available in vinyl, aluminum, or fiberglass frames that resist corrosion and moisture. The double-hung design also makes cleaning easy. The sashes tilt inward, allowing you to clean both sides of the glass from inside your home. This convenience is especially helpful for multi-story properties or condos overlooking the beach. A smart upgrade for Miami Beach homeowners in a place where the weather can shift from sunny skies to storm warnings in hours. Impact-resistant double-hung windows are not a luxury, they're a necessity. They combine elegance and practicality with the strength needed to withstand coastal storms, all while keeping your home energy efficient and comfortable year-round. If you're ready to upgrade, consult a local Miami Beach window installation expert who understands the region's building codes and weather conditions. With the right installation, your impact-resistant double-hung windows will provide peace of mind, style, and performance for decades to come. Because in Miami Beach, true comfort starts with protection, and the right windows make all the difference.